Have you ever had a pen die because you forgot to water it or didn't know if it was getting enough light? This common problem inspired us to create Smart Pen Buddy, a project for our car CSS332 microcontroller and application. It's an Arduino-based system that sends real-time alert when your pen needs water or light based on the care mode you select. Hi, my name is Atikarn Chimtub. Let's move on for what is the concept. Smart Pen Buddy is an Arduino-based intelligent assistant designed to solve a real-world open problem. Improper indoor pen care caused by lack of time or pen knowledge. In modern city life, people often keep house pens for state relief and decoration, but many struggle to care for them correctly. According to recent environmental data, over 16 million indoor pens die each year in the Netherlands, primarily due to inconsistent watering and insufficient lighting. A peer-reviewed study in the Journal of Experimental Botany further highlights overwatering as one of the most common causes of pen deaths in indoor environments. Smart Pen Buddy solves the problem by using sensors to track soil moisture and light in real time, then alert the user when the pen needs attention. What makes it smart is that user can set two care preferences at the start. First, use the light level low or high. Then the watering need low or high as the same. These two-step setup let the system adjust its alerts for different pen types, offering flexible and personalized care. Smart Pen Buddy adjusts its alerts based on the user's select light and water needs. Whether your pen prefers shade or sun, dry or moist soil, the system adapts accordingly. With a built-in real-time clock, it gives accurate alert at the right time, helping users build inconsistent care routines. It's compact, all-in-one design is perfect for small spaces. And next, key features. We have 6 key features. The first one is custom pen care mode. Choose light level low or high, and then watering need low or high at the same to match specific pen type. Real-time monitoring, smart alert. It uses LED and LCD message to notify when conditions are unsuitable. Next, time-aware logic. Interactive control. Use 4x4 keypad. Let user easier select and reset pen care setting. And last one, compact and standalone. Okay, for system components, we use Arduino Uno, breadboard, LM35, LDR, RTC DS3231, soil moisture sensor, LED, 4x4 keypad, LCD I2C display. Let's explain the code. Okay, for line 7 to 11, we define our sensor pins here. The LM35 temperature sensor connects to analog pin A0, the soil moisture sensor to A1, and the light sensor to A2. For output indicator, the water alert LED is on digital pin 11 and the sunlight alert LED on pin 12. This pin allows the Arduino to read sensors input and control the alert LEDs. Next, in this part, the LCD used I2C communication with the address 0x27 and displays 16 characters per line across 2 lines, which is perfect for showing concise pen data. The keypad rows and columns are connected to pin 2 through 9, enabling a 4x4 button grid to capture user input for mode selection. Line 31 and 32, we use 2 integer variables to store user preferences for light and watering mode. Initially, both are 0, indicating no selection has been made, the system waits for input to set this mode before monitoring. In setup, the LED are configured as outputs. We immediately turn them off to avoid any false alert or confusion when the system power on. Okay, and in the main loop, press a reset both mode to 0, effectively returning the system to the mode selection phase. This allows the user to change pen care setting at any time. And this the welcome screen display for 1.5 seconds, giving a friendly message to the user before proceeding to the mode selection. Line 88 to 109. The program waits for the user to press 1 for low light or 2 for bright light pens. Then it waits for 3 or 4 to select watering need. After selections, a short delay of 1 second gives a smooth transition to the monitoring stage. Okay, and this part, we read analog value from the soil moisture and light sensors, which range from 0 to 1023. Higher value from the soil sensor generally mean dry soil. The real-time clock provides the current time display alongside temperatures and sensor reading on the LCD. Okay, and line 153 to 157, the LM35 output 10 mV per degree Celsius. First, we convert the analog reading to voltage, then multiply by 100 to get the temperature in Celsius with good accuracy. Okay, for chilled water. For pen requiring low water, a soil reading above 800 trigger a watering alert, meaning the soil is quite dry. For pens that need more frequent watering, the threshold is lower at 500, so it alerts earlier. Okay, and last part. Okay, line 165 to 171. The system only monitors light level between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. when sunlight is more prevalent. Low light pens trigger an alert if light falls below 200, while sun-loving pens expect a higher minimum of 700 to indicate sufficient brightness.
Alright, now let's go through how we wire up the smart plant body on Arduino Uno. Now, let me explain how we connected each component to the Arduino Uno. First, the LM35 temperature sensors is connected to analog pin A0. It measures the surrounding temperatures and sends the analog signal to this pin. Next, the soil moisture sensor is connected to A1. This reads the moisture level in the soil to check if the plant needs watering. The LDR or light sensor is connected to analog pin A2. It detects the brightness of the environment. For alerts, we use two LEDs. The green light, which turn on when the plant needs water, is connected to the digital pin 11. The yellow, which alerts when the light is too low, is connected to digital pin 12. The LCD display with I2C modules is connected through the I2C communication lines SDA to A4 and SCL to A5. We also use real-time clock. the DS3231 module. It's also connected to I2C, so it shares the same two lines, SDA to A4 and SEL to A5 together with the LCD. For user input, we used 4+4 keypad. It is connected to digital pin D2 to D9, 4 rows and 4 columns. Let's start by turning on the system. As you see, the LCD first display welcome message, Smart Garden ready to glow. That means the system is initialized and ready for setup. Now the system asks us to choose the light requirement for our plant. Pressing 1 means the plant doesn't need much light, perfect for fern or shade-loving plant. Pressing 2 means the plant requires a lot of sunlight, like cactus or herbs. Let's say we select 2, highlight. Next, we set the watering needs. Pressing 3 is for plants that does need much water, like succulents. Pressing 4 is for plants that require frequent watering, like basil or mint. Now the system knows that our plant needs both high light and high water. After selecting both light and water modes, the system enters the main monitoring screen. Now you see real-time clock from the RTC. From very beginning, the RTC module is activated, so the system already knows the current time. This allows all alert and reading to be time-stamped. Accurately help user build consistent plant care routines. This one is soil moisture reading, and this one is temperatures from LM35 and light level from the LDR. Let's test the light alert. Right now we are in high light mode, which means the plant needs strong sunlight, at least 700 light. On the screen, it also says something like needs sunlight. Now let's simulate dry soil. Since we in high water mode, the system expects the soil to be consistently moist. When the soil becomes dry, the green LED turns on, wanting us to water the plant. If we want to restart the setup, maybe for a new plant, we can press A on the keypad to reset. The system resets and shows Smart Garden ready to grow again, and we can begin mode selection from the start. So, in summary, we can select the exact light and water needs for any type of plant. The system adjusts threshold and monitors real-time data. It gives clear alerts using LEDs and message. And with the reset button, we can quickly change mode for different plants anytime. Smart Plant Body is simple, customizable, and perfect for modern plant lovers.